Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we will be exploring one of the beautiful and historical monument located in Vijaypur in Karnataka named as Ibrahim Roza. It is also popularly known as Black Taj Mahal of South India. Vijaypur is located 560 kilometers from Bangalore towards North Karnataka. Connected to almost all travel routes, reaching to Bijapur is easy. The city has a bus stop and railway station which is linked with all major cities. Once you reach Bijapur, you can go for Bijapur's fascinating Tonga or horse buggy to reach at the destination. Vijaypur has many historical monuments all around. Ibrahim Roza is counted one among the most beautiful evidences of Islamic architecture. Ibrahim Adil Shah constructed this tomb as a tribute to his queen Taj Sultana. It is an Islamic architectural wonder, very beautiful to look. This is protected monument and a heritage site in Karnataka. It is a great tourist destination for rich history, culture and architectural significance. Tomb was built in 1627 by Persian artist Malik Sandal. Previously, this place was occupied by the Chalukyan from the 10th to 11th century AD. This place was well known as Vijaypura. In the 13th century, it was ruled by the Islamic ruler named Khilji dynasty. They renamed it to Bijapur. In the advent of the 16th century, the Bahmani sultans occupied this land. Hence, the Adil Shah's family ruled this place. This place was later acquired by the Mughals of North Delhi. Later, it went to British East India Company only in the 19th century AD. Ibrahim Roza is totally built in Persian architectural pattern. The architect was Malik Sandal, who was a great architect in the 16th century. His contribution to Islamic structure is mostly found in the Vijaypur city. This tomb was built here in the similar style of those structures found on the Taj Mahal. He may be thought to build a similar structure here. There is also a mosque seen in the opposite of this tomb. This is adjoined with a lovely pond. This mausoleum is built with a centrally placed Gol Gumbaz, either a large and huge cylindrical dome on its center of the tomb. It is built over a 5 feet height platform and it is square structure in shape. There is an entrance for this mausoleum with two small pillars which have a globe-like structures on its top. The main structure is supported with pillared corridors on its four sides of this structure. On the top edges there are four beautifully carved minarets found. These minarets along with the Gol Gumbaz look very attractive in nature. The height of these minarets is 24 meters. There is also a secret passage built here. This leads to few storage rooms under the basement of these platforms. The center of the structure is where two tombs are constructed. It was the tombs of Adil Shah and his queen named the Taj Sultana. But later his family members were also buried here. It consists of his mother and two sons. The upper portion of this tomb has the splendid artwork of the Gol Gumbaz. This has many floral designs on it. These are unique carving artworks found on its top areas. Its edges connecting its roofs are a little bit projected outside and these are supported with carved small stone supports. The alignment looks very unique on all sides of this structure. Thanks a lot for watching.